Are you ready to get started with the new Bernina 710? We are plugging in the foot control and power cord. Now on the back of the foot control, notice that it kind of has a cord that is plugged into the side of the foot. So when you're done or you're traveling, go ahead and wind it back up, come back in this little double back area, and then the cord will hold in place just like that. So I'm undoing that to the length you need for your table. Now speaking of tables, you want to have a surface that really is stable. If you don't have a stable surface, you've got a card table, that's a no-no. These machines are just too big. They're going to produce a lot of bounce when they're sewing at full speed. So make sure you have something sturdy, even a 6-foot table if you're going to be working on a folding table. Make sure you're slid to the side where the legs are. Don't put it right in the middle. You'll notice a great difference in the way the machine performs and vibrates. So I'm going to reach over. We're going to plug this in and get ready to turn it on. It's just right up here in the front, and then we'll find our power switch back by our cord, and we'll start to light it up. Now there's a few other things that I did not pull out when we opened up the machine. So if you look up here, there's a little cardboard piece up kind of between the tensions. I'm going to just slide those two little guys out. All right. And this little guy is on, and it just kind of popped out because the foot raises when you put the machine on. First thing on the screen that it asked me, so this is fresh out of the box, what language do I want? So I'm going to go ahead and do English. What color of screen I want? I'm going to leave it at blue, but you can change it to a background color of your choice. And then a green check mark means that you're confirming that color. And we are to the sewing screen. Next time we turned it on, that will not come up every time you turn it on, but it's nice to know. I actually did not know that. So here is what we don't ever need, so we're going to just toss those away. Underneath the foot is a little sample from the factory. I toss that away. There's a blue tape holding the bobbin case door, but there's also a styrofoam underneath here. So we're going to slide that out. Once again, nothing that you need, except the other day I noticed one of our customers had left it in, so when bobbin slid down here, she didn't have to go fishing for him, but I'm going to throw it away. All right, so I think we're about ready. We have accessories to go through next, but a few other items to attach. The presser foot lifter or freehand system will slide in. If you slide it in at a kind of a slight well, it's more like a 6:30, 7 o'clock angle here towards you, this will actually lift and lower your presser foot and the feed dogs all at once. So if you want that foot to be up, we just can push the button. And then our slide on table. Once again, if you don't have your machine sunk down in a table or cabinet, then this will be your extra work surface. All you have to do is tap it on, push the button to pull it off. You might have to give it a little help, but then it will come on and off to help you as you get used to putting your bobbin in, maybe with the table on, and you'll get better at that. Of course, you have a little viewpoint down through here so you can see. So next we're going to put the accessories in the box, in your little accessory box over here, see what all you got with your machine and where it all fits.